It was an ecstatic moment for some families and friends and the entire Apeguso township in the Asuogyaman district when news broke that all 12 residents who tested positive for coronavirus have recovered and going back home. A mini deba was organized to welcome them officially to the town, wish them well, and also educate the public on the need to stay safe and prevent the spread of COVID-19.
And pageantry was overwhelming as family people poured powder on the recovered patients. 5 of the 12 recoveries are Ghanaians, while the 7 are Indians who worked at the Afcon construction company. The deba was organized for the 5 Ghanaians resident at Apeguso. Even though they have been officially welcomed to the community, some of them expressed worry over the initial stigmatization faced. They cautioned that the virus is real and that people should take it serious and follow all the safety precautions. They have been sharing some experiences with JoyNews.
So me ban sana na yet say wo muso mo pay okrum mo go gina information kasa problem na ba nti mo am ya ahemfo ne hema no e ba no be kama no atoso na chi no ma frɛ na mo say man ne yare na aba no ye ne sen na yesa wo ko gina information ikeka se wo mpa wo okrum ha sene se na mo pa kire sen ye okrumani
won ha me gina hayi won say me share me de me yere no me nyina ma apem ya mo. A
former director of the Ghana Ports and Harbour Authority and the new Patriotic Party parliamentary candidate for the Asuogyaman constituency, Mr. Paul Asare-Ansah, presented some bags of rice, crates of eggs, cooking oil, fowl, and undisclosed amounts of money to the recovered as a token for pacification of their soul. Mr. Paul Asare-Ansah said they have initiated many moves to curtail the spread of the COVID-19 in the Asuogyaman constituency. He called on the constituents to be vigilantes of COVID-19 in the Asuogyaman constituency.
Who contracted the disease? 355 contact tracing and testing were made. Out of that, 12 tested positive. Today, all of them have recovered. We didn't record any death. We have produced about 40,000 and distributed them. We are producing 60,000 more of nose masks. It is a law now in Ghana, and we expect the police to enforce it for everybody to wear it. We have given nobody excuse. I can say emphatically, with the records available to us, that Asuogyaman is free from COVID-19, and we are going to ensure with concrete measures, as I've spoken about, with the compulsory wearing of nose masks and other things that we are going to enforce. We are going to make sure that nobody introduces this sickness again into Asuogyaman as was done.
The Omankrado of Akwemu Adontin traditional area, Nana Dede Akwe II, advised the people of Apeguso against stigmatization.
The test results came. In fact, when you want to travel to the nearby places, it is even difficult to get a vehicle, because once people heard Apeguso has been affected, it's difficult. You stop a car and then no one will stop for you. My advice to the people is that we stop stigmatizing against the affected, since it can even lead to a different issue that will create a different issue altogether. Yeah, so stigmatizing against each other should be avoided.
Maxwell Kudako report for JoyNews.
Certainly how we should be receiving them and encouraging others to tolerate them as they had already done before they got that disease.